Dr. Lucas Marchand, the house call chiropractor here in Sioux Falls, and today we're going to talk about the benefits of routine maintenance chiropractic care, like 2 sessions a month. Benefits of regular chiropractic care, even when you're out of pain, is you're going to prevent more flare-ups. I have a ton of people that they're on care for usually a clinical trial of 6 to 12 sessions, and then we dismiss, and they're good for a lot of them, or most of them are good from there. But then there's plenty of that, after 3 or 4 months after that, it flares up on them again. And those people need to be more in a maintenance program. That's why maintenance care is important twice a month. The other thing is it just improves the quality of life, just your mobility in general. Remember, when we're doing chiropractic care, we're just trying to keep that spine mobile. That aberrant joint motion is what causes the pain, because the joints get locked up. They don't have to be misaligned per se. They just get stuck, and then the muscles get spasmed up, and then, we get pain. And also, as we get older, we get less hydration and nutrition to our discs, and they receive nutrients through motion, whether it's through exercise or even chiropractic care. And the other thing with maintenance care is it's really cost effective compared to, taking potentially dangerous over-the-counter drugs chronically, or even prescriptions that's dangerous. And then surgery, we want to avoid them. It's not that we don't need surgery or we don't need medications, but those shouldn't be the first thing we go to. If that helps. I hope that makes sense. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.